How to schedule post on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, once signed in, tap on the album icon you see there right beside the What's on Your Mind tab. You will then be required to go ahead and choose the pictures or the videos that you want to post. So go ahead and choose the pictures and the videos that you want to schedule for posting and then tap on the next option. Further, go ahead and make any required changes such as adding caption to your post or adding more pictures or tagging someone or adding your check-ins. You can also add music if you want. Now tap on next and you will be required to select the audience for your post. So go ahead and select the audience for your post and below that you will see the option for scheduling options. Tap on that and you will see the option for schedule for later. So go ahead and select the schedule for later radio button and you will now be required to select the date and time of when you want to make the post. So go ahead and choose the required date and time and then tap on the save button, and with this your post will be scheduled. You can now go back and then tap on the post option, and with this the post will be posted on the exact date and time that you scheduled it for. So this is how you can schedule post on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.